Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 37, project number 37. We are going to see how to convert a decimal into binary and binary into decimal. Is it possible? Yes, it's very easy with just few lines of codes in Python. It can be used as a game application as well, you adding some GUI. So let me show you how this looks. So it's pretty interesting, guys. So why am I not able to show the IDE to you? Give me a second. Something wrong with my Visual Studio IDE. I'll take just a minute, guys. Give me a minute. All right, there you go. I hope you can see this clearly. All right. So as I said, so basically, the binary converter in using Python, it's a pretty simple project. You know, the project basically contains the base conversion system. It's a very simple logic. You can search in Google and find out what is base conversion system. The user input, people like me or you can enter any number on the terminal, on the CLI terminal, and convert them into another number system, that is a decimal to binary or binary to decimal, vice versa, right? And it's a pretty simple logic. However, I want to, build an application not only converting decimal to binary, binary to decimal, but also play the sound, and with the GUI app, a beautiful looking GUI app using Tkinter or any other, open source library, and include the sound as well. So how will it look? So let's see. I'm going to build that in the future lessons, but for now, we are going to run this code and see how it works. So let me show you. Let me run this. And it says the first option, welcome to binary converter app. This app can convert a decimal to binary, and what you will do. Option number 1, binary to decimal. Option 2, decimal to binary. And option 3 is exit. So let me say 2. Binary to decimal to binary is option 2. I'll hit enter, and please enter your decimal here. So I will say 5678 random. There you go. Your binary is 101100110110. So, all right, let me run this program again. And it says, please select the operation. This time, let me select binary to decimal. That is option 1. And let me enter a number. It says binary to decimal 11000101, and it says 393. There you go. So guys, this is working. Now just use your imagination, build something else using this particular program. It's pretty easy, guys. It's, you can understand this logic. It's pretty simple, just about 33 lines of code. It's pretty very easy. You can import some other modules here, libraries here, start building the logic, define, and bring it along the loop. You can do ton loads of things. I am confident on you guys. All right, see you soon. Goodbye.